to blur some parts of the image on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to blur certain parts of your image on Canva. To get started, open your Canva application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Click on the plus icon at the center to create a new design. Next, select the photo from your gallery. Once you have selected your photo, tap on Edit Photo to enter the editing space. Here, look for FX option resembling effects at the bottom of the screen and click on it to access the effects menu. Here, swipe left to select effects, then you will see blur effect here. Tap on it. Now, to begin blurring specific parts of your image, tap on the brush icon. You can adjust the size of brush by using the slider and select the intensity of the blurred effect. Once you are ready, start painting over the areas you want to blur. After painting, wait for a few seconds and you will see the selected area gradually becoming blurred. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to blur parts of your image on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.